Here we have the Delfast Trailblazer 12 petrol compressor, belt driven. In this video we're going to be just going over how to start it. We've got some nice fresh petrol inside. We're going to turn our taps off, flick our switch, turn our choke on, make sure our fuel switch is on, and simply wait for it to build up. Now flick the choke. Pressure's starting to come out the side. Let it warm up a little bit. And you should slowly start building up pressure. Once it gets to 125, unloader should kick in. Once it's built up the pressure, the unloader will kick in. 125 is the recommendation, and it should come out standard like that, and you should be good to go.